are feeling summer's heat, but that doesn't mean we're not excited for fall fashion trends. Fashion expert Jana Meister is here to show us how some of those pieces can actually transition. So it's kind of a sad day when, we're having to say goodbye to summer. But, maybe transitioning some of those looks, our favorite looks to the fall will really help.
That's right, yeah. Yeah, you don't want to put everything away yet. Just go slowly with it, but hopefully the weather holds in for us so we can do that.
And one of the favorite things we might be seeing are some of our very favorite dresses that we can use.
Yeah, keep wearing your dresses. Just pair them with booties, maybe do darker prints, pay attention to color. That's a good way.
One thing you maybe loved here was that green tone.
Yeah, that green tone, even the mauve floral print, those are good shades to transition into the fall season. And then pairing it with a bootie instead of an open-toe sandal immediately changes the whole feel of the look.
And I also noticed you're using kind of a camel tone for the purse as well as a tan for the shoe.
Yes, that's okay. You can mix and match your neutrals. That's a good way too to take things that you have from summer and transition them into fall. Don't be afraid to kind of mix those tones. And I also wanted to point out the circle bag is also a huge trend for the fall season. So if you don't have one of these in your wardrobe yet, I would definitely invest in one of those.
Okay, beautiful. Yeah. Now let's say that we wanted to work in the layers, right? Because maybe we've got jackets and everybody's all about layers in the fall.
That's right. So faux suede, leather, denim, those are good fabrics to look for in layering pieces. This jacket here is kind of a faux suede look. Super soft and comfortable and lightweight.
Yeah. Let me see what faux suede's all about.
Yeah.
It's so soft. And you're rocking, of course, the animal print, which never goes out of style. And it's you can use it as a neutral.
It's huge for fall. Every season, it doesn't go away. It's become a basic in a lot of women's wardrobes.
Believe in animal print.
That's right. Yes. Yeah. Pair it with your layering pieces and wear it for fall because it looks so good and it's so pretty on everyone and it's a statement piece.
Okay, and why did you pick like the black denim instead of maybe like a blue denim?
Right, so this is kind of a way to wear something in both ways. If you wanted to put a dressier shoe with this outfit, you could totally dress it up for the office. And then like we have here with more of a wedged booty, she can go run errands, go to the store, go to school, and she still looks really pretty and put together.
Yeah, it's such a nice finished look. Okay, and denim is also gonna play a major role in our wardrobe, and especially helping us to transition. So what are we looking for in denim right now?
So boot cut and flare, they are all coming back. It is in every single store. And I know a lot of us haven't worn it for a while, so it's
why not do something different, right?
Right, and it elongates your legs. It makes you look really tall and slim and slender, and it's a really cool fit to have for fall, especially with boots and wedges. Just with a wide leg and a denim wide leg and a boot, and then your flannel and a graphic tee. It's a great put together look.
I was gonna say, of course you can't go wrong with the flannel, just tying it around, because you never know if it's gonna get breezy as we do start to see those temperatures drop.
Yeah, you never know here in Kansas City what's gonna happen with the weather, so.
And then one last question, because I was getting a lot of this, right? So white after Labor Day, is that allowed, or what's the deal there?
So we could easily switch out any of the denim looks and put a white denim in its place. To me, it's all about the accessories and how you wear it. So make sure you're still doing that layer, the faux suede, booties. It still makes it look fall, and you can easily transition it.
Okay, well, thank you for showing us all of those looks, and of course clarifying that rule.
Yes, no, there are no rules.
Yes, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Bill?